Hi, my name's Paul Fougere, and I am really glad that you guys have come this far. I realize some of you have probably got a little stopped at the door where it asks for a $10 fee, and I can appreciate that. That's not my money. I That goes to the making of the system and everything that's happening. But I believe once you get on this side, you'll be quite happy. But I thought I'd give you a kind of a sneak preview of what's going on over here. Once you get in here, you're going to be brought through a number of steps, 5 steps, of which you won't have any problems with. First of all, you'll be setting up your profile. Then what you're going to do is you're going to be introduced to buying that gold level. Now that's only $25, very inexpensive. You are getting a lot of information at that level. Just to show you what you are getting at that level, and I'm not showing you everything, I'm just showing you the titles. You will have pre-written ads. There's well over 100 of them. They have other avenues that will help you develop your business. Cheat sheets for Facebook, Facebook group cheat sheet videos, 50 ways. This hasn't been built up yet. They're working on it, but every day there's always something going on. We have 50 ways or ideas of promoting your business. It's not just online, but offline. We have business mindset training. We have motivational videos. And if you go in, and you can see that's at just $25. And at the platinum level, what we're doing is adding 3 more things, which is training you in Facebook, training you on how to use YouTube, how to get the best bang for your dollar, and Instagram. I find that you will really benefit from this. I know I have. Anyways, I just want to keep it short so that at least you'd have some idea of what's going on inside. When you do get to the dashboard, you're going to see a video here. I would highly recommend listening to the video. They will explain how you earn your money, how it works. And anyways, I would like to just kind of tell you I'm really excited about it, but I just have to let you see for yourself. Anyways, welcome to the door, and I hope to see you to the other side. Bye.